Next we will see an interesting recipe, macaroni stew. So the ingredients would be 6 ounces of cold boiled macaroni, 1 large Spanish onion, 1 carrot, half pound of tomatoes, 1/4 pound of mushrooms, 2 ounces of grated cheese, 1 ounce of butter, pepper and salt to taste. That was the ingredients. Next, we will go through the cooking process. First, we have to wash, prepare, and cut up the vegetables in small pieces. Vegetables, tomatoes, mushrooms, Spanish onion, carrot, etc. We have to cut up all the vegetables in small pieces. Then we have to cover them with water and we have to stew them until becomes tender. And when it becomes tender, we have to add the butter and seasoning to it. After adding the butter and seasoning, when the mixture becomes tender, we will add the macaroni cut into finger lengths. Means you have to cut the macaroni in finger lengths and add the cheese to it. And after that, we have to serve it. So that would be all for a macaroni stew making. And that is a very easy process. Hope you will enjoy it. Please make the dish at your home. Thank you.